Welcome to Healthy Living. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to balanced macronutrients for a healthier you? Let's dive right in. First off, what are macronutrients? Simply put, they're the nutrients your body needs in large amounts: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each one plays a crucial role in your overall health. Let's break them down. Protein, the building block of life. It helps build and repair tissues, makes enzymes and hormones, and is a vital component of bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Make sure to get about 10 to 35% of your daily calories from protein. Next, fats. Yes, fats, they're not the enemy. Healthy fats are essential for brain function, energy, and absorbing certain vitamins. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Ideally, fats should make up about 20 to 35% of your daily calorie intake. And then there are carbohydrates. They're your body's primary source of energy. But not all carbs are created equal. Focus on complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. They provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. Aim for 45 to 65% of your daily calories from carbs. So how do you balance these macronutrients? It's all about finding the right mix that works for you. Start by tracking what you eat. There are plenty of apps that can help with that. Pay attention to how your body responds. Feel more energized, less bloated? That's a good sign you're on the right track. A typical balanced meal might look like this. A piece of grilled salmon, protein, a side of quinoa, carbs, and a generous serving of steamed veggies drizzled with olive oil, fats. Simple, right? Remember, everyone's needs are different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about experimenting and listening to your body. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is key to keeping everything running smoothly. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't stress. Take it one meal at a time. Start by making small changes. Maybe swap out that bag of chips for a handful of almonds. Or try adding a serving of vegetables to your dinner. Small steps lead to big changes. So there you have it. The secrets to balancing your macronutrients for optimal health. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey to a healthier you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And drop a comment with your favorite healthy meal ideas. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.